Okay. So ako, personally ako lang to, sa akin lang to. Medyo na-off ako sa ginawa niya. And before anything else, no, lilinawin ko lang, this is not an attack on a certain religion. No? This is not about religion. Hindi ito about kung tama or mali yung sinasabi niya. It's about this. Walang choice yung mga tao kasi kahit sabihin mong nagpaalam siya, anong klaseng consent yun kung yung mga tao hindi naman pwedeng tumanggi properly? Parang, sige, let's be honest. Kung may magtanong sa'yo mid-flight, no, kalagitnaan ng flight, may magtanong sa'yo, excuse me, okay lang ba mag-preach ako? Ano sasabihin mo? So, nakaupo ka, tabi-tabi kayo with strangers, ay wag mo kang kontrabida, so most likely, mapapa-oo ka na lang. Or mananahimik ka. So, is that real consent? Or napilitan ka lang kasi wala kang choice? Technically, I'm leaning towards wala kang choice. Kaya for me, medyo may ganong feeling na parang kinidnap yung attention mo, hindi ka makaalis, hindi ka makaiwas, hindi ka makapag-opt out. And that's where it becomes very uncomfortable for me.